Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reset internet on your Windows 10 or 11. So very simple and basic way, click on this search area. Now type here reset network. Type here network reset. So you will see this setting, click here. Now you will see this option network reset. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So, in case your net is not working properly, so you can reset it. Just click on reset now. So, thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.